guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your boy Louis G, and today is a great day. I'm so excited. I'm shaking. I can't even think straight. I just got home from a big trip. My friend in Calgary picked up some wheels for me, dropped them off here in my garage on his way up to work. Big shout out to you, Lenny. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. So let's not waste any time. Let me show you the wheels. Okay, so these are Toyota TRD 16-inch beadlock style wheels. I've been looking for a set since I bought the truck back in March, but they're discontinued, or else I would have bought them brand new, and there hasn't been any on the secondary market until now. They popped up, I grabbed them, sight unseen, and that's kind of where it all fell apart, because I paid the kid $1,300 for them, and they're effed. As you can see, the beauty rings are mangled. Like he was really off-roading in these. So we're gonna have to get those refinished, and hopefully we don't have to spend that much in order to get these back to, you know, looking brand new. So the tires are pretty much pooed. They're off-brand Chinese mud tires, but we have a plan for them. I don't think I'm just throwing them away just yet. So for right now, plan is this. We're gonna put the new TRD wheels on the truck. We're gonna take the stock wheels, get them taken apart, steal the TPMS sensors out of them, and then get the BFGs, the KO2s, the good stuff, mounted, OEM TPMS sensors, and then see about getting the beauty rings refinished, and then we're rolling in style for winter. I'm so excited. Let me get set up and we'll throw these wheels on real quick. All right, so in keeping with my tradition of forgetting lug nuts when I'm installing aftermarket wheels, forgot lug nuts, had to run to Canadian Tire, grab some. They're a lifesaver. It's 5 o'clock on a Sunday, and they had what I needed. So as much as they suck, they do come in handy for these types of situations. Oh, it's fucked up. I only bought 20. How did I F that up? The guy behind the counter was such a... They close at 8. You can get these on, drive it over with 5 lugs on each, and then slap the other nut on in the parking lot. Keeping it ratchet, what can I say? Alright guys, wheels are on. I think we're going to cut it there for now. Going to run back to Canadian Tire, grab another set of lug nuts so that we have 6 bolts on every wheel, torqued down properly, and it's all good to go. It's too dark to get any good shots tonight, so we'll pick back up in the morning, and we'll pick up from there. Thank you so much for now. Alright, so I lied. We're still hanging out. We just got the lug nuts from Crappy Tire. We're going to keep it ratchet. We're going to pop on the one single lug per wheel that we're missing here in the parking lot. We'll just keep it rolling. Let's see how the truck looks with some light on it. Looking good with the new wheels. You know what? I think these wheels deserve to get washed up and see how they look nice and clean. So we'll go see if any car washes are open. We went to the rim shop. We got the beadlock rings dropped off. We picked a new color for them because getting them finished in that machine look would be more expensive. So we picked a color. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I'm excited to see them. It's gonna be about a week. Tomorrow morning, gonna get the BFGs mounted on the TRD wheels. These OEM tires are for sale, a set of 5. And yeah, so we'll just get these unloaded, load up the BFGs, strap them down, have them ready for morning. All right, we'll call that good. We'll go inside and chill for a bit, and we'll see where we catch this video. I guess I can give you guys a cold start. Pretty tame. All right, guys, super excited. We're picking right back up from where we left off. It feels like it's been 2 weeks, but I guess it's only been like a week and a half since we got the wheels installed. But the beauty rings are ready to be picked up, and I will show you the color I chose. I don't know if it's gonna work out. It's pretty risky, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, let's take off and we'll go pick them up right meow. My only concern is that throwing the bead rings back on is going to throw the wheels out of balance. Like theoretically it should, but these tires are super heavy. These wheels and tires balanced out like shit. So we'll see what happens. If not, the car is going in for service on Monday. I can get them to balance the wheels again then. So let's get to it. So I'm super stoked on the color. I hope it looks good. I think it will look good. I just didn't want to be boring. So I got it done in like a sparkle blue. It doesn't really sparkle that much, but just enough. I think it's gonna look awesome on the wheels. All right, we got the rings on. I think they look amazing. I'm so excited. I'm holding my phone as a flashlight because this lens is so dark here in the cab of the truck. Yeah, just time to cruise around and show them off in the city. I'm so excited. If you stuck around for the whole video, if you didn't fast forward the video, I think this is going to be a bit of a longer video because it was kind of a shit show getting these wheels from point A to point now. Still maybe 1 or 2 little touches I want to do on the wheels to really dial them in. But thank you so much for joining me on this longer video. I'm super stoked on these wheels for the winter. If you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below. If you like me and want to stick around for more of the build, hit subscribe, and we got lots of parts on the shelf to install. So thanks for stopping by.